Have you ever wondered how you can use Chat GPT to make your personal life and your business life more productive? Have you thought about creating that email, drafting that email, and you're not sure if the wording is accurate? Have you thought about having a coach, a mentor, an accountability partner, but you're not sure where to find one? Have you thought about going on a trip, but you're not sure how to plan this trip? Well, did you know that ChatGPT can do all this for you? Yes, I've been using ChatGPT in my personal life and in my business, and it has made my life so much easier. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can start using ChatGPT to make your life more productive. Have a more productive day, a more productive month, a more productive Q4. Now let's jump right into it. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me here, my name is Yashika Turner. And if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you for stopping by again and clicking on this video. I appreciate you. Now, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI app. And now there's an app that you can actually download on your phone, your computer, and even your iPad. Now, there's a free version and there's a paid version. I've been using the free version since when, and it has been just as enough as I need right now. I do a lot of things here. I am a full-time registered nurse. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a realtor. So I do a lot. And ChatGPT helps me to structure and to plan. If I have a question that I would go to ask a coach or a mentor, I can ask ChatGPT. But you have to remember that ChatGPT is not 100% accurate. So you have to go through anything that it tells you and you have to read it through, edit, personalize it. And anything beyond, I think, September 2021, I think, yes, ChatGPT doesn't have all that information. So check the accuracy of ChatGPT. Now, if you don't have ChatGPT app, the first thing you're going to do is to download this app. I'm going to walk you through some prompts that I use in ChatGPT in my personal and in my business life. So you can do the same. So go ahead and download it. I will be sharing the screen with my iPad. I am already logged in to my ChatGPT. So now that I'm in ChatGPT, and as I said, I have the free version. Did you know that you can also personalize ChatGPT? So for example, I'm a realtor and ChatGPT knows me. It knows the language that I speak. It knows my branding, my style of speaking, responding to emails, because I have personalized my ChatGPT. So first thing, you're going to download the app, and then you will be going into the personalization down here. So where your name is at the bottom, you're going to click those three buttons right there. And then you are going into personalization right there. So when you go into personalization, you see customize Chat GPT. You're going to click there, and there you can format what do you want Chat GPT to know about you, right? So there I have it. ChatGPT knows that I'm a registered nurse. I'm on my journey into entrepreneurship. I love helping women to thrive, break free from what is holding them back. So I basically highlight my avatar, my target audience right there. It knows that I'm a realtor. It knows that I'm a life coach, and it knows that I live in Canada, right? So it knows where I'm at and everything right there. So whenever I'm creating content or whenever I'm asking ChatGPT for any advice, anything I need, it is aware, it has some background knowledge about me, right? So the first thing that you want to do when you download the app, you're going to go in and you're going to personalize your ChatGPT. What would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide a better response? Then the second thing, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? So for my response, I'm a real estate agent, life coach, my brand essence. So I say it's a fun, vibrant, approachable, brand, but sophisticated. So then when Chat GPT is giving you a response, then that's how Chat GPT will respond, with that vibe, that aesthetic, that feeling, right? So you go ahead and you're going to personalize that part right there. So next up, so now we're going to go into some prompts, into ChatGPT prompts. Let's, for example, start off with how you can use it in your personal life. Now, I remember, I think a few, maybe last year, I was trying to plan my 40th birthday party and I wasn't sure where I wanted to go. So then I put this prompt into ChatGPT. Please give me some ideas for my upcoming 40th birthday. Right? 40th birthday. Okay, and you send this off. And ChatGPT is going to respond, giving you some, so whether you want destination, getaway, thriving. You see, so this is what I'm talking about when I say it knows me, because my one of my wording that I use all the time is thriving. 40 and thriving theme party, bucket list adventure, luxury spa day, holistic use. It knows that my branding is focused on a holistic approach with several different components that are involved in my branding. So see, it mentions holistic life celebration, charity event or fundraiser, 40th birthday photo shoot, glamorous night out, memory lane experience, women empowerment brunch. Chat GPT knows that I love to empower other women. So see, it is suggesting and recommending a women's empowerment brunch. So this is one idea of how you can use it in your personal life. Now, let's look at another way of how we can use ChatGPT in our personal lives again. So you hit that little button there, and then we're going to start over the chat. I use it for meal ideas. I would say, give me some meal ideas for this week. I would say, ChatGPT, please tell me what I can do this weekend in Hamilton, Ontario, and it's going to tell me. So these are just some ways of how you can use it in your personal life. Let me know in the comments, what are you curious to ask ChatGPT to help you with in your personal life as a busy woman, working a full-time job, having side hustles? How can you use ChatGPT? Oh, another way is, okay, let's do this one. How can I be more productive this week? And let's see what ChatGPT is going to give me. How can I be more productive? I can't even spell, guys. Productive this week. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT is going to give me. How can I be more productive? Now, let's see. It's going to help me on some strategies to focus. Okay. So it says plan your week, time block, batch similar tasks, use a productivity app like Trello. I have Trello, Asana, or even simple to-do list app. Set mini deadlines, delegate if you can, and take breaks. So this is a very ideal way of how I use ChatGPT. Usually, this is one of the prompts I usually ask ChatGPT, right? And you have to be more specific. So say I want to plan my week. Then you can even go a step further. How can you please help me to plan my week? So you're going to say, please help me to plan my week. Okay, let's see how ChatGPT is going to help you to plan your week. It's going to give you a detailed plan. Look at that. See? Monday, lunch, midday, afternoon. So this is a perfect example of what I'm talking about, of how I use ChatGPT in my personal life. So there, ChatGPT has all the information of how I can plan and structure this week. Are you impressed? Tell me, what have you learned about this using Chat GPT? Will you be using Chat GPT to plan your personal life? Okay, now that we have that part out of the way, now we're going to look into how you can use Chat GPT into your business. Now, if you are creating a side hustle, you can use Chat GPT. If you're already in a business, an online business, whether providing products or services, you can use Chat GPT. I've done a video previously of how you can use Chat GPT and Canva to create products, to create an ebook in less than 24 hours. If you haven't seen that video as yet, go ahead and check that out right now. But let's say that you want to start a business. You're not sure about your avatar. You need an ideal description of the person you're targeting to sell a product or service, right? But say, for example, you want to target to this person. You're going to go in and you're going to say, I want to create a brand, for women who are on a weight loss journey. Okay. Even if you make an error, Canva will fix it. Okay. They are between 35 to 40. How can I market and promote to this audience? This is just an example of the structure or the questions you can put into Canva to get a feedback of how you can start your business, right? So then, let's see what Canva does. Okay. Define your brand identity. So Canva is giving you the mission, the tone of the voice, the value. So guys, if you have no idea of how to get started in a business, you feel lost, you can go into Canva and ask Canva to assist you. You can go into Canva. So now you have an idea of what your target audience looks like. You can go in with more prompts. You can ask Canva to create for you a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a freebie that you will give in order to get a person's email so you can promote your product or your services to them. If you want to see how to create a lead magnet, let me know in the comments and I will do a lead magnet for you. Now, see, these are how you are going to market and promote to your target audience. Now, if you want to say create social media content, you can also ask ChatGPT to create a social media content for 30 days to target this audience. I've done this in my real estate business. I say Canva. I say, why am I keep saying Canva? I'm like, please give me a 30-day content idea for my target audience. ChatGPT knows that my target audience are first-time home buyers in Hamilton, Ontario. It knows that I have Instagram. It knows that I have YouTube. It knows that I have a website where my website is. It knows that I have email marketing campaigns. So it is gonna give me an holistic approach of how I'm going to target and promote to my ideal audience, right? It will give me 30 days of content. If I want email marketing campaigns, I can ask Canva to do that. If you formulated an email and you're not sure if the wording is appropriate, you can just copy it from Google Docs or from the email that you're in, put it into I keep saying Canva. Why? I love Canva too, but ChatGPT, this is ChatGPT's time, Canva. So I just did a recent video on Canva, how you can make money with Canva. Maybe that's why Canva wants me to promote it into this video. So you can go check it out after watching this video. So what am I saying? So you put it into ChatGPT and ask it to restructure, make it sound more professional or make it sound more like you because you already have your personalization setting on. Now, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with a friend who is struggling with formatting their emails, who is struggling with social media marketing and promoting, who is struggling to create a brand, Chat GPT can help you. Now stick around and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.